James was just telling me what he thinks I should do about this scar on my cheek from the burns.
So it looks to me like it's left a little bit of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. You might want to consider going and seeing a dermatologist to get on some topical hydroquinone or a Kligman's formulation that you just use temporarily as it lightened up. The other thing too is that if you didn't want to see a derm, you could consider some dermal therapy treatments, some gentle laser, some pico. Second laser could be really helpful with that as well. So, you know, you get the added age management benefits of pico. Really good for collagen, elastin stimulation, good for pores, good for skin texture and tone. For a lot of women, melasma is such a big concern, and so some people will address it through their dermal therapies using good active cosmeceutical grade skincare, but for some people it doesn't touch the sides. So that's where those dermatological interventions come through. Another really good treatment that a derm can put you on is oral tranexamic acid.
Oh, yes.
Because there's such a big vascular component to melasma, often what that does is that actually reduces the blood supply to the melasma, which in turn makes the melasma not as aggressive or visible.
Great, I might try that.